kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, you know, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And you know what I mean, I give you juice, I give you meat free Monday and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch and stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love, and now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together. Start off the show. 1 cup of hot water. Alright. That's the first thing you want to do. Yeah. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna get some ginger. Some of your favorite. I don't know if you guys see the video which I did last night. I don't know. Let me know. Yeah. We did a nice video last night talking about this same recipe, yeah? But this one is a little bit different. Alright? Yeah. So you get a nice piece of ginger like this and grate it. Look at that. Nice piece of ginger like this. And then you're gonna take them and grate it. Alright. Yeah, grate it. See that? Let's take a look at time and grate it. Don't rush it. Yeah, it is. Ginger is powerful, guys. This right here. Yeah, very effective and powerful. That's why I like ginger. I'm always using ginger. So from week I've been using a lot of ginger. Let's take a look at time and grate it. Nice. So that's the ginger, and this is what I'm talking about. Yeah. All right. You see that? Now, that's the whole secret about this recipe. You have to do the ginger first. Okay? Yeah, man, you have to do the ginger first. When you do the ginger, then what you're gonna do next, you're gonna put in the most important ingredients of it. This one right here. So we're gonna put a few grains of the cloves, all right, into the water. Yeah, give it a mix. All right, good vibes. Now, this is very powerful and this is very effective because a lot of you guys don't know the value of cloves. All right, so if you never used this before, please try and use this, guys. It is fantastic and amazing to use at home. Good for your teeth, good for bacteria, good for lots of things. Okay, all right, so we just put in the garlic, and this garlic we're using 4 cloves of garlic inside of the water with the ginger and the cloves. Okay, yeah man, Jordan. All right, what are the benefits? Stronger than this one, is helping to boost the immune system and strengthen the immune system also. All right, but if you're at home and you feel for something very healthy and strong, better than the blue pill, then this goes down really well for you right here, because it's got 3 magic recipes in it, which is garlic, all right guys, and ginger and cloves. Yeah, you see this? Yeah man, this is powerful and effective. Now, all of these ingredients right here is so important for you, especially cloves. The cloves is amazing, guys. You can just soak this into some water and just drink it. Cloves water is very powerful, and cloves is also good for your gum, your teeth, toothache, lots of things, you know, whole heap of things. It's good for. Wow, smell the garlic. So what you want to do, make this kind of settle down a little bit. Okay, yeah man, make it settle down and cool down with all of that ingredients into it. A good vibes. Yes people, so last night we did 2 recipes back to back, and one was weight loss, and this one because I did ginger and cloves last night. So tonight I'm doing ginger, cloves and garlic. You know what I mean? It is coming up to summer and spring is right here, coming around the corner. And you know, spring is a time where everyone get active. All right, yeah, springtime, you see too many baby mothers walking around on the high street. A good vibes, but that is part of life. All right, so that's why Chef Ricardo come in and fill the gap with my whole natural home remedy where you guys can use at home. Okay, yeah man, so as you can see, that looking fantastic and amazing. And I'm gonna tell you something, you drink this 2 times, you're good to go. 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. All right, heavy, big up yourself. All right, so you drink 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. So you want to drink 1, the book of Chef Ricardo right here, How From Poverty to Purpose. Okay, yeah man, here it is, From Poverty to Purpose. Get yourself 1 and support the progress. All right, a good vibes. Yeah man, if you didn't get 1, yeah man, you know exactly what to do. Grab yourself 1 and support the progress. A good vibes people, here it is. Got the garlic, going to make the difference in it. Also tap it up. A good vibes. Enjoy this guys.
Sunshine, smile on my face. Got the pot on the stove top embrace. Spices dancing in the breeze. Cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud. Drawing in the hungry crowd. Iron flavors in the air. Chef Ricardo's secret flair. Let's gather on the